Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can allow your camera access to Snapchat. It's really easy, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So, once you are on your main screen on your mobile phone, what you need to do is just go over to the page on which you have Snapchat on. And here we are going to want to hold the Snapchat icon. This should open up a menu just like this if you are on Android. And here we are going to select the fourth option, which is App Info. Once we've done that, it should open up our App Info menu, which should give us a bunch of options. Here we are going to just scroll down until we find permissions, which should be highlighted right now. Here we just click on app permissions and you should see what is allowed and it's not allowed. If your camera is not allowed yet, it should appear on denied. In order to allow it, just hit the camera button and it should give you two options of either allowing it or denying it. Just make sure that you have it allowed in order for Snapchat to access your camera. You have either this option, or at the beginning when you install the app, your phone will ask you if you want to give the app this permission. So you can either do that, but if you for example denied that for as a mistake, you can just allow it later right here. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.